Alright, in this video I want to show you how to install your VPTV software once you purchase your VPTV box. So when you get your box and you plug it up, you'll be presented with this screen. First thing you need to do is go over to Settings, Networks, and then connect to your Wi-Fi network. You can also run it via an Ethernet cable, which I do recommend for the best performance. Once you select your or connect to your Wi-Fi network, you will hit the back button. This is the top right button on the remote control outside of the OK circle. It looks like a sideways U with an arrow. You will back all the way back out to the main screen. Once you are connected, you will go down and select the VPTV icon. Allow the VPTV software to load itself. From here, select Media Center 1, all devices, and select Install. Select OK. And allow this a few moments to download. Once it is downloaded, you will be presented with this screen. Go down and select Install. Once it is installed, you will go down and select Done. Select OK on Next. And here you'll be prompted for an email address. Please enter an email address that is active and that you have access to, as you will be sent a PIN that you will need to enter in order to activate the software. So for the purpose of this video, we're just going to use the test email. Sorry about that. Once you have entered your email, hit your back button again. Again, it looks like a sideways U with an arrow. That will clear your keyboard. Go down and select Send PIN. It will email you a PIN number. Please allow about 2 to 4 minutes for the email to arrive. Once you have received your PIN number, you will notice that Activate is highlighted. Hit the up arrow on your remote control and then select OK, and that will allow you to type your PIN number in. So we're going to go over. You're going to enter the PIN, select your back button again to clear out your keyboard. Go down and select Activate. You will now be presented with this software. Once you have entered your PIN and the software has came up, the first thing you will do is navigate over to VPTV Builds. Select OK. And here you will be presented with the different layouts that we offer. You can select whichever one fits you the best. So for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to select the red and black. Go to install. And then just accept the disclaimer here that we provide. From this point, the build will download and extract. Please do not touch anything as it's downloading and extracting. It will take a few moments for everything to complete. Once the build has downloaded and extracted, you will be presented with this screen. Just select No and hit your home button. It is the top left button on your remote outside of the OK circle, which looks like a house. You will see this screen. Select VPTV Entertainment Systems and then select Always. Your software will reload to finish the installation of the build. And you are now presented with this screen. From here, all you need to do is click VPTV Media Center. And you will see the layout that you chose, in this case, the red and black layout. From this point, let it sit for a little while. Do not touch anything. Allow it to update. There will be a couple pop-ups that you get, as you just see on your screen here. If you get anything like this, select No. And what will happen is all of the add-ons are going to update. Again, let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes to allow everything to finish fully updating. If you get this pop-up in the middle of an update, just select OK. After about 5 or 10 minutes, depending upon your internet speed and how fast things can update themselves, everything will stop and you'll just be presented with the following screen with the scrolling text at the bottom. What you need to do is go over until you see System, select OK. Go down to Video and select OK. Go down to Acceleration. You will go over, highlight Allow Hardware Acceleration AM Codec, select OK. And you will notice now that the circle is no longer filled in, which disables this particular codec. This is necessary for the software so that you do not have any build crashes or anything of that nature. Once you have done this, hit your back button all the way back to your main screen. And from here, you are good to go. You can just go to whatever you desire and find what you're looking for. If you opted for the Prime TV subscription, please continue watching as I'll be going over how to set that up next. For those of you with Prime TV, what you will do is go over to Prime TV and either hit the right arrow on your remote or the down arrow on your remote, dependent upon the layout that you chose. This particular layout, I'm going to hit down. You will notice that a bottom bar opens up across the bottom. I'm going to select Guide. Please only select Guide once, as it may take a moment for everything to download and install. You will be presented with this screen here. Select OK and enter the username and password that I will provide in the packaging for you. For this particular case here, just going to use the test username and password that I use personally. Once you enter your username, go down and select Done. Once you hit Done, you'll be asked for your password. Select Done again, and you will go back to this screen. From here, select Guide one more time. Allow it to download and install all necessary information that it needs. Your guide will come up and you will see Updating TV Guide. Allow this to finish updating, please. Once your guide updates, you will be presented with this screen. If it says no program available, as you see here, what you will do is you will hit your menu button, which is the bottom left button outside of the OK circle. It looks like 3 lines. You will notice the bar opening across the top where the times are. From here, you will go over to Settings. And a couple of things that I do in here. First thing is I like to go over to Order Channels By and just hit your OK button until it says A to Z. This will put your channels in alphabetical order so that they're easier to navigate through. From here, I will go over to Maintenance, go back over, select Reset Linked Add-ons Data. Allow it just a brief moment. You'll see a quick pop-up once it is done. There you go. Go up and select Channel Logos. You will be presented with that pop-up screen. Just select OK. Go over and select OK to exit out. Once you exit out, you will go down, select Guide. And again, your guide will update. Allow it to sit for a moment. It may take a minute or two depending upon your internet speed. Once your guide has fully updated, you will now be presented with your TV guide. You are now done with setting up the software. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy your VPTV box.